Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is set to visit the seat of the United States government in Washington, D.C. next week as he makes the case for ongoing aid to his war-torn country. Zelensky's trip comes as Congress is debating President Joe Biden's request to provide as much as $24 billion in military and humanitarian aid for Ukraine as it fights the Russian invasion. Details of the visit started to appear in US media on Thursday afternoon, with anonymous government sources confirming the plans. An administration official speaking on condition of anonymity to discuss the sensitive visit said that Zelensky will meet with Biden at the White House next Thursday. The trip to the capital was confirmed by two congressional aides, granted anonymity to discuss the plans. Zelensky's appearance will coincide with the debate in Congress over federal spending as lawmakers face an impending September 30 deadline to pass a budget. The Biden administration has asked Congress to allocate a total of $24 billion for Ukraine support, including $13.1 billion in additional military aid and $8.5 billion for humanitarian support. But some politicians, particularly in the Republican Party, have balked at the prospect of sending more money and supplies to Ukraine as it attempts to repel Russian forces. Congress has already approved aid totaling over $113 billion, but the last time the legislature approved funding for Ukraine was in December, before Republicans took control of the House of Representatives. Next week's appearance at Capitol Hill will be Zelensky's second since the full-scale invasion of his country began in February 2022. In his first visit, held last December, the Ukrainian president delivered an impassioned speech before Congress, rallying lawmakers against Russian aggression. It is just a matter of time when they will strike against your other allies if we do not stop them now. We must do it, Zelensky told the US Congress. Your money is not charity. It's an investment in the global security and democracy that we handle in the most responsible way, Zelensky added. Zelensky has made few trips outside his native Ukraine since the invasion, but he is set to be in the US already next week for the annual United Nations General Assembly in New York. His presence was, until recently, uncertain, but experts believe he is attempting to generate support for the Ukrainian war effort by meeting with world leaders in person. Earlier, Zelensky also made surprise visits to the Netherlands and Japan in a similar effort to drum up backing among global powers. Ukraine is currently in the midst of a challenging months-long counteroffensive as it attempts to claw back territory occupied by Russian forces.